In the winding rivers and coastal waters of Southeast Asia lives a creature that seems almost mythical. A dolphin with a rounded head, a gentle expression, and a mysterious aura. This is the Irrawaddy dolphin or Brevirostris, one of the most unique and endangered dolphins in the world. Unlike their ocean-dwelling cousins that roam the vast seas, Irrawaddy dolphins are found both in shallow coastal areas and in freshwater rivers, such as the Mekong, the Irrawaddy, and the Mekong. Their preference for rivers makes them one of the very few dolphin species adapted to freshwater life. Alongside the now functionally extinct Beiji of China's Yangtze River, the Irrawaddy dolphin is instantly recognizable. Instead of the long beak typical of many dolphins, it has a short, rounded head with no distinct snout, giving it a friendly and almost smiling appearance. Its forehead is pronounced and flexible, allowing it to change shape slightly when the dolphin communicates. Its body is stocky, colored a soft gray to blue-gray, and can reach up to 2.5 meters in length while weighing around 130 kilograms. Its dorsal fin is small and triangular, placed far back on the body, which helps distinguish it from other dolphins when seen surfacing. Behaviorally, Irrawaddy dolphins are calm, slow-moving, and often shy. They surface quietly with a smooth rolling motion, exhaling with a soft puff of mist. Unlike some dolphin species that leap and spin above the water, Irrawaddy dolphins tend to stay discreet, making only gentle ripples as they travel. They usually live in small groups of 2 to 6 individuals, though larger gatherings of up to 25 have been observed in rich feeding grounds. One of the most fascinating aspects of Irrawaddy dolphins is their unique relationship with people. In certain parts of Myanmar and Laos, fishermen have long reported a cooperative bond with these dolphins. The animals would help drive fish into nets or signal to fishermen where schools of fish were gathering. In return, the dolphins would gain an easier meal from fish escaping the nets. Such interactions, rooted in trust, highlight the intelligence and adaptability of this species. Sadly, as fishing practices modernized, these remarkable partnerships have mostly disappeared. Irrawaddy dolphins feed on a wide variety of prey, including fish, crustaceans, and mollusks. They use echolocation, sending out sound waves and listening for returning echoes, to navigate and hunt in murky waters where visibility is low. They are also known for a quirky behavior. Sometimes they spit jets of water from their mouths, possibly as a way to herd fish or communicate with other dolphins. Despite their gentle presence, Irrawaddy dolphins face serious threats. They are listed as endangered by the International Union for Conservation of Nature (IUCN), with populations declining sharply across their range. One of the biggest dangers is accidental entanglement in gill nets, which can trap and drown dolphins as they surface for air. Habitat loss from dam construction, irrigation projects, and water pollution also poses severe risks. In rivers like the Mekong, declining water quality and overfishing have further reduced their numbers. Today, only a few hundred Irrawaddy dolphins remain in the Mekong River, with small isolated populations clinging to survival in Cambodia and Laos. In 2022, scientists confirmed the extinction of the species in Laos, leaving Cambodia's stretch of the Mekong as the last refuge. Elsewhere, populations in Myanmar, Indonesia, and India also remain fragmented and vulnerable. Conservation efforts are ongoing. In Cambodia, the Irrawaddy dolphin has become a flagship species for river conservation. The government, along with organizations like WWF, has established dolphin conservation zones, banned harmful fishing practices, and worked with local communities to protect the species. Ecotourism centered around dolphin watching in the Mekong has also provided an incentive to preserve these charismatic animals, offering alternative livelihoods to communities that once depended heavily on fishing. The Irrawaddy dolphin is not only ecologically important, but also culturally significant. In Cambodia, it is considered a national treasure and a symbol of the Mekong River's natural heritage. In folklore, dolphins are often seen as protectors of fishermen and messengers of the river gods. This cultural reverence may prove essential in rallying support for their continued protection. What makes the Irrawaddy dolphin so special is not only its rarity, but also the sense of peace it embodies. Watching one surface in the golden light of a Mekong sunset feels like witnessing a living spirit of the river, graceful, mysterious, and fragile. It reminds us that rivers are not just waterways for humans, but lifelines for countless species. The future of the Irrawaddy dolphin depends on the choices we make today. Reducing plastic pollution, managing fisheries sustainably, halting destructive dam projects, and protecting critical river habitats are all essential steps. Every effort to save this dolphin is also an effort to protect the rivers that sustain millions of people and wildlife across Asia. In the end, the Irrawaddy dolphin is more than just a rare animal. It is a symbol of harmony between humans and nature. A reminder that cooperation and respect can keep even the most fragile species alive. To lose it would not only mean the disappearance of a unique dolphin, but also a profound loss of cultural and ecological heritage.